Yo, dog, no somebody you say Mr. Beast there?
You say dog there, man, I give you a house and thing.
Yo, what I go on, you know? If Mr. Beast buy me a house, you know? I sell that time by a GLE, you know? Full meesh me and me short, dog. House casket. You know, say that I
House casket,
fully meesh me and fully meesh you. Fully.
Yo, man, the Mr. Beast there, you know?
We know say the man there Jamaica idiot.
Idiot, the man in our yard. What's up, guys? Today we're going to meet a random stranger Jamaican, alright, guys? We're going to surprise him and give him a good time, okay? Follow me.
Bombat! Sing the fish. Yo, man, them, look hungry, man, them. Go look like some sufferer, dog. Look like some sufferer, brother. Right now, meesh out in the dog. Look hungry, man, them. Look hungry, dog. Look hungry, man, them. Look hungry. Hello? Ahim. Hello? Come on in. How you guys doing?
They are no Mr. Beast. They are.
Man.
You
guys looking a bit hungry today. Alright guys, hungry?
Mr. Beast, I don't say I suffer where they are, suffer, Mr. Beast. Suffer where you suffer. I am nothing for our last, though. Nothing for our last.
Yeah man, we're hungry out here.
Why are you guys not eating? What is causing you guys not to eat? Yeah man, I know say Andrew now feed the youths though. Yeah man, Andrew now feed you man.
What are you guys thinking of eating right now?
Can get a bun and cheese and a cran water. You dig?
I want a KFC zinger and a famous bowl.
Okay, so a bun and cheese and a cran water and a KFC zinger with a famous bowl. Alright, so I'll be right back, alright guys? Oh, so one got belly, brother?
Me hungry.
Man go breed of your KFC. Hear that? Man go breed of your KFC.